Hi there, welcome back. We are going to show you how to search Google without ads. You will get results like this with no ads. The instructions for this video can be found in our blog. Just have a look down below for the link. We are going to self-host an application called Wiggle, which we are going to install inside our Lxc container as a Docker compose file. You may ask why we want to use Wiggle. First of all, what is Wiggle? Wiggle is a self-hosted, privacy-friendly proxy for Google search that removes ads, tracking, and JavaScripts. That means that when you do a search to Google through Wiggle, you'll end up being anonymous, firstly, and secondly, it blocks the ads. These are the benefits: privacy, no tracking, no logs, no connection to your Google account, ensuring full anonymous searches. Secondly, we get an ad-free experience. Unlike Google search, Google strips out all the ads, giving you a clean, distraction-free results. Thirdly, you can deploy Wiggle on your own server or Docker container, ensuring full control over your data and search experience. And now let's get our hands dirty. In our Proxmox server, we have this Lxc container, and if you look here, we have connected to the console. The first thing we want to do is to create a folder inside our OPT stacks folder for Wiggle. So we will run this command, and then we will open this folder. In here we will create a Docker compose file. Please note the name is compose.yaml. YAML. That is the new standard for Docker compose files. And then we will go to our instructions. And if you look at this section here, you will find the content for the YAML file. That's this here. Copy the whole thing right to the bottom. Copy, paste, Control S to save, X to exit. Before we can start this, we like to do something which we haven't seen in many other channels, and that's to do a Docker compose pull command. And this is to pull down the images and saves us time when we launch the application. You'll see that soon. So this is the command you run. You may have noticed that this ran quite quick, and that's because we've already got this image in our Docker. But in your case, it'll take a few minutes. You're pulling down about 200 megabytes. And then after that, we will start this in the detached mode. This is the command you will run. Depending on your server and your internet connection, this could take a few minutes. So now we will go back to our instructions. And if you look here, we use HTTP, your server's IP address, :5000. As you can see there, we specified 5000 as the external port in our Docker compose file. In our case, we've already registered the domain name, Tiger Lose Your IP, so we will just open this link and wait for this thing to start. Great. And now you can conduct normal searches, normal Google searches. You will notice there's a big difference now in the results you get. There's no ads. This is really what we would like to get from Google. However, as a corporate, they need to make a profit. So in their case, they can't deliver this to you. We trust you found this useful. Please give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel as we haven't reached our target yet. And before we greet you in 4 languages, we would like to ask you what country you are from so that the next video we make will greet you in your language. And with that we say, baie dankie tot ziens. Grazie mille a me. Ciao. Jesus sinaderfe. In the Bulanis re. Auf Wiedersehen, mein Freund. Domo arigato tomodachi. Sayonara.